Are you looking for ways to earn passive income this year? Welcome to the world of financial independence, where your money works for you. Imagine the freedom that comes from earning income passively, even while you sleep. Today, we're going to explore 5 intriguing ideas for generating passive income. Ideas that involve job boards, audiobooks, unused space, vending machines, and even spreadsheets. Sounds exciting, right? So let's not wait any longer. Stay tuned as we dive into our first passive income idea. Imagine having a platform that earns you money while you sleep. This is the beauty of creating a job board. A job board, in essence, is a website where employers post job openings and job seekers apply, making it a bustling marketplace of opportunities. So, how do you create such a platform? It starts with choosing a niche. The job market is vast and diverse, and by specializing in a certain industry, you can attract a targeted audience. It could be tech, marketing, design, or any field you're passionate about. Next, you'll need to build a website. Don't worry, you don't need to be a tech wizard for this. There are plenty of website builders out there that make the process simple, even for beginners. Your website will be the home of your job board, so make it as user-friendly and accessible as possible. Now comes the exciting part: attracting companies to post jobs. Reach out to companies in your chosen niche, market your platform's benefits, and invite them to share their job openings. It's a win-win. They get exposure, you get content. Finally, let's talk revenue. How does a job board make money? There are several ways. Companies can pay to have their job postings featured prominently. You can also earn through advertising, both on your site and in newsletters. With a job board, you can earn money passively while helping others find their dream jobs. Do you have a clear and pleasant voice? Consider recording audiobooks. The demand for audiobooks is skyrocketing. With our fast-paced lives, people are turning to audiobooks as a means to consume literature while multitasking. This creates an excellent opportunity for those with an engaging voice and a knack for storytelling. So, how do you start recording audiobooks? First and foremost, you need to find books that need narration. There are numerous online platforms that connect authors with narrators. You can start by narrating public domain books to build up your portfolio. Next, you'll need to set up a home recording studio. Don't worry, you don't need to break the bank for this. A quiet room, a good quality microphone, and some basic sound editing software are all you need to get started. Once you've recorded your audiobook, it's time to get it out there. Platforms like Audible are always looking for new content. You can submit your work to them, and if accepted, your audiobook will be available to millions of listeners worldwide. Now let's talk about revenue. When your audiobook sells, you earn money. It's as simple as that. Many platforms operate on a royalty basis, which means you'll continue to earn money every time your audiobook is purchased. By recording audiobooks, you can earn passive income while bringing stories to life. Enjoying the video so far? If these passive income ideas are resonating with you, please do us a favor and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to also click the like button. Your support is what fuels us to create more content like this for you. Alright, are you ready for more exciting passive income ideas? Let's dive right back in. Do you have unused space in your home? Why not turn it into a money-making asset? Picture this. You have a spare room, an empty garage, or even a vacant lot. It's just sitting there, gathering dust while you're paying for its maintenance and taxes. But what if I told you that you could turn this idle space into a steady stream of passive income? And no, I'm not talking about traditional leasing or rental agreements. I'm talking about tapping into the new wave of the sharing economy. Platforms like Neighbor, Peerspace, and Store at My House have taken the concept of the sharing economy and applied it to unused spaces. These platforms act as intermediaries, connecting people who have unused spaces with those who need them. You can list your attic, basement, parking spot, or even your backyard. And the best part? You can dictate the terms of use and the rental fee. Setting up your space for rent is a pretty straightforward process. You start by creating a profile on one of these platforms. Then, you provide details about your space, like its size, location, and availability. You'll also need to upload pictures to give potential renters a clear idea of what they're booking. And voila, your space is now up for grabs. As soon as your space is listed, you can start accepting bookings. These platforms handle the entire booking process, ensuring everything runs smoothly. They even offer protection for both parties involved, adding an extra layer of security to your transactions. The revenue you generate comes from the rental fees you charge. These fees are usually set by the day, week, or month, depending on your preference. And the beauty of it all? Once your space is booked, you're earning passive income. You don't need to do anything else but watch your bank balance grow. By renting out your unused space, you can earn passive income while making the most of your home. So why not give it a shot? Turn that idle space into a money-making asset and see how it can work wonders for your financial health. Vending machines are everywhere, and they can be a great source of passive income. Think about it. These unassuming boxes are quietly working round the clock, dispensing snacks, drinks, and a myriad of other products to hungry and thirsty consumers. But how does one tap into this seemingly simple source of passive income? Firstly, you'll need to find an ideal location. High foot traffic areas such as malls, schools, and offices are prime spots. Once you've secured the location, the next step is to purchase a vending machine. There are plenty of options available, from traditional snack machines to more niche offerings like coffee or health food machines. The final step is to keep your machine stocked with items. This is where your revenue is generated, from the sales of these items to consumers. Regularly restocking your machine ensures that it remains operational and profitable. So, there you have it. Investing in vending machines can provide a steady stream of passive income. It's a venture that requires some initial investment and maintenance, but the returns can be well worth it. Are you good with numbers and Excel? Building and selling spreadsheets could be your ticket to passive income. In today's tech-driven world, people are constantly seeking ways to streamline their work and increase productivity. Here's where custom spreadsheets come into play. They are in high demand across various industries, from finance to project management, and even in education or health and fitness tracking. Now let's talk about how to build and sell spreadsheets. First, you need to identify a need. What problems are people facing that a well-designed spreadsheet could solve? Do some market research, check out forums, or talk directly with potential customers to find out their needs. Once you've identified a need, it's time to get creative. Use your Excel skills to create a spreadsheet that is not only functional, but also user-friendly. Remember, the goal is to simplify, not complicate. After creating your masterpiece, it's time to put it out there. You can sell your spreadsheets on platforms like Etsy, or even on your own website. The key is to make it easily accessible to your target audience. Revenue is generated through sales. Each time your spreadsheet is downloaded, you earn money. It's as simple as that. And the best part, once you've built the spreadsheet, it can continue to generate income for you with little to no upkeep. By building and selling spreadsheets, you can earn passive income while helping others streamline their work. Earning passive income doesn't have to be a dream. We've journeyed through 5 viable options today. Creating a job board, recording audiobooks, renting out unused space in your home, investing in vending machines, and building and selling spreadsheets. Each avenue carries its own unique opportunities and challenges. It's up to you to delve into these options, find what resonates with your skills and interests, and make it work. Start your journey towards financial independence with these passive income ideas for 2024. Thank you all for tuning in and watching the video. We appreciate your time and hope you found these ideas helpful. Remember, your journey towards financial freedom begins now.